Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games and we're going to see PlayStation Plus. So as long as you guys have PlayStation Plus, which you need in order to play online, you will get a few free games. So right now, at this point in time, we can download these two games. So let's just scroll down. I want to show you the games. So right here we have this one and then go. So I'm going to download Uncharted, obviously. So let's just press X on it. And it should say free on it. That's how you know it's for free. So right now it says free, so we're gonna add this to our library. We should get this message and it should say free. So we're gonna hit OK. And then it's being added to our library. At this point we can just hit on download in order to download it, or we can download it later on. So right now we're just gonna go back and we're gonna take a look at the other game. So the other game that we have right now is Goat Simulator. So we're gonna add this into our library as well, so we have it there. And we can download it whenever we like. So we're going to go ahead and add it to our library just by pressing X. We're going to put OK, and then we're just going to go back. Anyways, that would be it for this tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.